When drawing conclusions from datasets, remember that it is important to analyze every point of data instead of just focusing on one or two. Often it is impossible to draw correct conclusions from just one test or set of data. For example, let's look at some tests that were run to determine how different variables affect skiing speeds. This experiment involved skiing 100 meters using different board types, wax types, and terrain types. This table shows which variables were used and their results. Now, if we were to compare tests 1 and 2, we might conclude that the type of board, carbon fiber or fiberglass, has no effect on speed because both boards traveled the 100 meters in 15 seconds. But take a look at tests 3 and 4. Here we can see that the carbon fiber board finished in 17 seconds, whereas the fiberglass board took 24 seconds. This shows that the board type does affect speed when the terrain is rough. If we had just focused on the first two trials, we may have decided that the board type is inconsequential. We would have come to the same conclusion if we had only considered the trials done on a smooth terrain. It is only by comparing every test run that we can conclude that the board type does make a difference for our speed. So in future problems, make sure you remember to always look at all of the trials instead of just focusing on one trial or another. You might miss something important if you do.